Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn our new lesson, and this lesson is about letter I. The topic is letter I. The capital letter I and small letter I. Capital letter I and small letter I. Now you will tell me the sound of letter I. You know? Yes, you know. Tell me. E. Letter I sound. E. Very nice. Letter I sound. E. Oh wow, what is this? You know? What is this? You like it? Ice cream. Ice cream. Very good. This is ice cream. You have eaten? Yes, I also like it. Very good. Okay, now we write letter I, capital letter I and small letter I. It's very easy. We will draw. We have these 4 lines. First we write the capital letter on 3 lines. First 3 lines. Then we write the small letter I. First we write the capital letter I. We have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will start from the first line. हम सबसे पहली वाली लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay, this from the top and downward हम नीचे की तरफ आके till the bottom थर्ड लाइन तक हम इसको स्टॉप कर देंगे. This is called capital letter I. E. I sound like E. Very nice. Now we write the small letter I. We will start from the second line. Second line से हम स्टार्ट करते हुए नीचे आएंगे और स्मॉल साइज को कर्व करेंगे. And it's called small letter. It's mama letter and it's baby letter. I sound E. I sound E. Here are some pictures. And now you will tell me what is this. Okay? G. What is this? We use it in summer season. What is this? Ice. E. Ice. E. Ice. Very good. What is this? We use it in pen. Ink. 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 Wow. Like this, you know? I draw this also. This is ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. What is this? E. Igloo. 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 Oh, what is it? This small. Insect. Insect. We read it again. This is letter I. I sound E. E. Yes. E. Ice cream. E. Ink. Ice cream. Insect. Igloo. It's your turn. Now tell me which letter is this? It's letter I. I sound makes E. E. Very good. Okay.